Hey there, creative minds! Have you ever wondered how to turn a simple portrait into a fabulous 3D anime cartoon? Well, wonder no more. We're using the amazing Image 2 image tool on Tensor.art to create a variety of anime cartoon styles. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Tensor.art. This fantastic website offers a variety of tools for creative minds like us. Today, we're focusing on their Image 2 image tool. It's super user-friendly and perfect for our cartoon transformation mission. Once you're on the site, find the Image 2 image tool and give it a click. Now this is where the magic begins. You'll see an option to upload your image. Choose a portrait you want to transform. I'm using this awesome photo right here. With our image uploaded, we get to the fun part, choosing the style. For today's tutorial, we're going with the 3D preset style. This style gives our portrait that cool anime look we're aiming for. We'll add some image prompts to customize our creations even further, like a women in pink t-shirt, Disney Pixar Style. By incorporating this image prompt, we can refine our cartoon to reflect that charming Disney Pixar style. Let's see how it transforms. Now, we wait for the magic to happen. Tensor.art will work its wonders and transform our portrait into an anime cartoon. It usually takes just a few moments. Wow, look at that! Our anime cartoon has now taken on the delightful essence of Disney Pixar. It's amazing how a simple image prompt can inspire such a wonderful transformation. Look at those details. Absolutely stunning! But why stop at one? Let's generate 2 more styles to see how versatile this tool really is. Now I am changing a women in pink t-shirt to a women in yellow background, Disney Pixar style. Wow, look at that! Our anime cartoon is looking amazing. You can see a simple change can inspire such a wonderful transformation. And for third time, I am adding some more details, like smiling and blue eyes into it. Here we have it, 3 unique anime cartoon versions of our original portrait, all created using the 3D preset style on Tensor.art. Each one has its own charm and personality, don't you think? Now it's your turn to give it a try. Head over to Tensor.art, use the Image 2 image tool, and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to share your amazing cartoon transformations with us in the comments below or tag us on social media. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our creative adventures. Thanks for watching and keep creating. See you in the next video.